Now let's review this figure 17-14 from Stallcup's Electrical Design Book, Volume 2. And we're talking about surge arresters, lightning arresters, 230.209 and Article 242. Now, Article 242 is a new article, and the existing articles in the NEC 280 and 285 have been deleted, and all that information has been put in this new article 242. Now, Part 3 of Article 242 deals with surge arresters. Now, notice those surge arresters are on the cross arms. They clamp any kind of surges coming down those distribution lines, utility lines, and clamps it and diverts it down the grounding conductor to a driven rod in most cases. And notice it's NFPA 780 4.9.9 that deals with that. The grounding electrode rod that you're using there is 780 4.1.3.1. Now, the equipment, service equipment you see here, we're kind of shielding the grounding to the bus in accordance with 490.36. And so basically, as I just pointed out, you're just using your surge arresters to clamp surges and divert them through the grounding conductor to the driven rod and prevent the full surge from reaching the service equipment and maybe creating damage. And that's exactly what this figure 17-14 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.